Allez, tout le monde passe par nous. Comment? Silence, tout le monde passe par nous, s'il vous plaît. Descendez.
Merci.
Et monsieur, descendez sur le banc. Allez, descendez sur le banc, descendez. Silence. Silence au dos.
Where's the life clinic banner? That would be nice. Nobody's pulling that out now. I know Go in and sit with them. I'll get a couple people at a time.
Yes. Okay, school and alley.
Hey, when they're singing, can I do Gangnam Style while they're singing?
Is it Gangnam Style?
Sony.
Okay?
I got kids.
Tout le monde campé. Regardez, après ça. Okay, thank you, Mommy, thank you, Father.
Thank you, Mommy, thank you, Father.
Okay. Now, the last thing I'm going to tell you is thank you. In the name of Good Samaritan Orphanage, we thank you for this beautiful clinic you come to make for the kids today. So, what happened? So we had some kids very sick and we didn't know that. So if you didn't come, we won't be okay. But right now we can say that we are okay. So we have one case, very urgent. So the doctor asked me to send him to hospital. The doctor asked me to send him to hospital. So right now he's in the hospital taking care. So I don't know exactly what will be the response. So we're waiting for him. So I can tell you anything else. But thank you, it's all we can tell you. Thank you in the name of all these kids here. Thank you in the name of Madame Paul. She's not here but she's very sick. She's in Santo Domingo. So we thank you. So we hope that God is going to make the way with you. God is going to do everything for you because you have love for these kids and you have good heart. So you leave your country, you spend money and you spend money on everything, in plane, in buy things like medical to bring for these kids. So we thank you. So this is all I can do. I can't say anything else. So thank you. All of you. God bless you. Thank you.